You talk to one of our students, no matter what the Greek school is across Melbourne, and we talk about being Greek, and that passion about who they are and their identity is strong. And that is because of these generations and the older generations that are sitting here. If that wave of migration never happened, there would be no Greekifying of Melbourne, and the Greek community wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be here so in full force and so strong. So thank you to that wave of migration. There's new waves of migration that come all the time, but we are a proud bunch. And because we are proud, we are here to show you who we are. Once a year for 2 days. 2 μέρες έχουμε αντίποδες και 2 μέρες γαλάζιο και λευκό γίνεται όλο το Lonsdale Street here in the historic Greek precinct. Εγώ όμως θα σας μιλήσω για ένα ελληνικό σχολείο, a Greek school I talk about a lot up here, because I'm very passionate about that. I'm passionate about the language, about teaching the language, να μαθαίνουμε τη γλώσσα μας, τη κουλτούρα μας στις νέες γενιές. Γιατί πρέπει να αφήσουμε και εμείς κάτι εδώ. And that's the legacy we leave behind. Και γι' αυτό το χτίζουμε κάθε μέρα. Αυτά τα θεμέλια συνεχίζουμε και τα χτίζουμε κάθε μέρα. Και μια κυρία που νοήσει αυτά τα θεμέλια, θα είναι η κυρία του σχολείου.
Ja, da canta più per entrare.
You've drunk it. There is a little bit. There is. You've drunk it. Okay, Mikey's not on the bottom.
Because normally we do say to our non-Greek friends that when you're drinking a Greek coffee, it's supposed to be good for you, because even though it's high potent of caffeine, the caffeine sits at the base. Am I saying that correctly? Whereas our traditional coffees all melts in the water and we just drink it all. There you go, and you do get left with a bit